My alarm clock rings. I open my eyes. Oh no, it is 7:30. I am late. I run to the bathroom. I brush my teeth quickly. I wash my face. I comb my hair. I do not have much time. I degler statings dime. I put on my clothes. Where are my socks? Oh, my socks! Here they are! I put on my socks and shoes. I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is quiet. I see some milk and bread. I take the bread. I make a quick breakfast. I look at the clock again. It is 8:10. I eat and walk at the same time.
I take my bag.
Wait. Where is my phone? I look for my phone. Oh. It is on my bed. I run to the door. I leave my house.
The street is busy.
I walk very fast. I see the bus. I am too late.
Many people are going to work.
Oh no! The bus leaves! I check the time again.
I have an idea.
I call a taxi. The taxi comes.
I sit in the taxi.
We drive quickly. I feel a little better. Oh, babe. We arrive.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I go inside. I am just on time. I am happy. Video. My busy morning is over. What a morning. Tomorrow, I will wake up early. I am happy. Video.
Tomorrow, I will wake up early.